Hi everyone. In this video, we'll be talking about water and soil. This video is presented to you by College. Let's start with some facts of water. 97% of Earth's water is in oceans, meaning they are salty, so we can't use them. Only and two-thirds of the fresh water cannot be used. 1% of fresh water is underground, meaning that can't be used too. Only 0.01% of all water in this world can be used by us. Well, how do we use that 0.01%? 70% of that is used in farming, 19 in industry, and only 11% in domestic use. And we have a problem. Earth population is increasing, so people eat more, meaning we need more water in farming. Also, more people use more machines, so we need more water in industry too. Well, this problem can be solved. How? Let's find out. We can water crops wisely and use less water at home. We can also grow crops that need less water, such as a potato instead of strawberry. Or we could recycle water. One such example is grey water, which is using already used water to flush toilets and so on. Moving on, we can bring water from other places, such as the project in China. Or we can do desalination, which is the process of removing salt from water using evaporation. We can also grow saltwater crops, such as a potato, which was found in Netherlands, and educate others. Moving on to our next topic, soil. What is soil? Soil forms when rock is broken down by weathering and is mixed with humus, which is a rotting vegetation. What does this soil depend on? The type of the rock around it, the climate of the surroundings, and the relief region. So, how do we destroy this soil, right? We bury soil under concrete when building things. Contamination and cutting down trees also makes an impact. Too much animal graze is another reason. Well, what does this all lead to? It leads to desertification. What is desertification? It's where fertile land becomes non-fertile, or in other words, like a desert. Stop desertification. How though? We can plant trees or dig zai holes, which are basically pits with small plants surrounded with rotting vegetation. Or we could put microdose of fertilizers and plant grazing, which will actually be helpful as animal waste is really helpful for plants. That's it for today, everyone. Don't forget to check out the quiz. Also, contact us for the presentation. I hope you enjoyed that video. Don't forget to check out this one and the playlist on the subject. Click here to subscribe too.